In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your phone number on the Shopee dashboard. Whether you're new to Shopee or just looking to update your details, this process is straightforward and simple. Let's dive right in and get you set up with the correct contact information. You're going to begin by logging into your Shopee account and heading to the dashboard. Once there, you'll notice your account name located conveniently in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on your account name is your first step. This will open a drop-down menu with a few different options for you to choose from. What we're interested in is the My Account section, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in your account settings, you want to scan the page for a few crucial personal details. Specifically, we're looking for the section that includes your date of birth. It's good to familiarize yourself with this section as it's fundamental to your account's profile and settings. But what we're focusing on today is the phone number. You'll usually find this section right after or near your date of birth, so keep an eye out for it. Once you've located the phone number section, you'll see an option to add a phone number. Click on Add, and this will prompt you to input your new phone number. It's crucial here to double-check the number you've entered to ensure there are no mistakes. Accuracy is key because this is how Shopee and its vendors reach out to you for order updates, confirmations, and other important communications. After you've carefully entered your phone number, you'll need to click Next. This part of the process is essential for verifying your number. Shopee will send a verification code to the number you've just entered, so keep your phone handy and be on the lookout for a text message with the code. Once you've got that code, enter it promptly into the verification field and click Next again. And that's it. You've successfully updated your phone number on Shopee. It's a simple process, but one that's pivotal in ensuring you receive timely updates and stay connected with the platform. Remember, keeping your account information up to date is a great step towards a smooth shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below, and we'll be happy to assist. Happy shopping!